Hey guys, so if you're looking for how to create your YouTube channel very easily, here's a tutorial for you. So basically you want to go to the web version of youtube.com. So it will bring out something like this and you will need to sign in. So I clicked on sign in. In order for you to sign in, you need to have a Google account, which means you need to have a Gmail. So these are my Gmail. If you do not have a Gmail, you want to use another account, then create account for yourself, your child, or for your business. But if you do not have a YouTube, if you have a Gmail or you don't have a YouTube account, you just go here and put your actual email and click next and it should sign you in. But if you do not have a Google account at all, you can go here and create for yourself. So you fill in your names and next, and you follow through the process, and you should be able to create your Gmail account in a matter of minutes. Use another account, you put it in here and you go next. So you want to put in your password. My password is auto-filled, so next. So now I've signed in. You can see now it's no longer written sign in. Now it's showing a small circle icon with my initial there. So you click it and you can see create a channel just right here. So once you click it, it will suggest upload a picture, put in your name and the handle that you prefer to be known as. So let's say I put in my name as Michael Melody Chioma. So it's suggesting that this is the handle that is available, just automatic suggestion. But if peradventure you feel it's too long or you don't want to go with it, let me see Melody Chioma. You can see this handle is already taken, but they said the one available is Melody Chioma 649. So we're going to use that just for the sake of this tutorial. You can keep trying till you find something you prefer. So create a channel. So you have automatically created a channel, and this channel is empty. There is no subscribers, there is no videos. So if you want to write something about your channel, click here, more about this channel. Okay, that's where your description is supposed to show, but we do not have anything yet, and you can see joined just now. So we're going to customize the channel. So it takes us to the YouTube studio. Continue. So now in the YouTube studio, this is where you customize your channel. You give it branding, you give it a name, you tell people what it's about. So in this channel here, you can see for the branding, you need to change your picture by uploading something here, then the banner image and all. So that's for the sake of this video that I don't want to upload anything because it's just for tutorial sake, but you can upload it directly from your folder and put whatever image you want. Now the basic info, this is your name. They said close. Choose a channel name that represents you and your content. Changes made to your name and pictures are visible only on YouTube and not on other Google services. So you can change your name twice in 14 days. So your name, I'm going to leave it as Melody Chioma. And for the handle, you can choose a unique handle by adding letters or numbers. You can also change your handle back within 40 days. So this is the handle we've still picked for the sake of this tutorial, Melody Chioma 649. So in this description, this is where you tell people about your channel. Probably you are a video creator, probably you are a comedian, you're a photographer, you're a baker, whatever it is. You can just say, okay, hello everyone, I post funny videos. Subscribe for more. Then a small smiley icon. So just for the sake of the tutorial, you can put this as, you can put in your description, you add your language if you have any other extra language. Then if you need to add any external link, probably a Telegram or your Instagram or your Facebook, the link title Facebook, then your Facebook link, you can add another one, and just like that, your contact info, your email address, you can put your email address for people to contact you. So let's say, okay, I want to put a link, Facebook, and I put www.facebook.com/melody. So just for the sake, so once you publish it, you would see that your channel is created. So once you click go to channel, you can now go to your channel and see that your channel has already been created. So now if you want to upload your videos, you can see here, upload a video to get started. You click on your upload your video. You can also do this on your mobile device too, whichever you prefer. So you just click upload a video, and your channel is ready, and you can now start posting. So it will say you should select a file from your system or your device. So you select a file, you go to your Explorer, you pick whatever file. Remember, it's a video and you can't upload pictures to YouTube. So once you click it, you click upload, and your video would appear here. It should appear here. We don't have any video, no content available because we've not uploaded. But the moment you upload, your videos will appear here. And for now, we've not uploaded any shorts. These are tabs. The moment you upload a short tab will also come here, and it will start showing. So I hope that you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, do well to like this video, do well to subscribe, and do well to leave a comment. If you have any questions, I would be glad to help out. Thank you for watching.